Hi guys, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today we will be unboxing, then reviewing, and then rating this DNA Collectibles 1 to 18 scale model. And I'm actually quite curious already what we will find inside. So let me first cut the box here. Yeah, so now we are in this unboxing section of this video, and this is why I will do my best actually to take it out of the box. And actually the first part is really, so how do we pull it out now? Yeah? So I think the best way is really to put it like this, and then, so there is actually a lot of material. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. Yeah, so now I will take off this one. Look, this piece is really massive. I mean, this is really massive. So it's well protected, I must admit. And now let me pull out the DNA box. Almost there. Okay, finally. Yeah, so this is the model itself. Yeah, so we really had two big pieces, one on each side, which were protecting this box. Now we have this transparent box, and it's already very much visible what is inside. It's Saab 95. It's this combi or station wagon or whatever you call it in red color. And I love it. Yeah, actually, DNA is producing a lot of different Saabs, and this one is one of them. They also have this one in, I think, blue color and probably maybe also silver. Yeah, so they usually produce this one in multiple colors. Wow, this one looks really, really cool. So now the next part of unboxing is really pulling this out of this second box. Yeah, so there was this outer box, then we have the second box, and of course I want to completely take it out of all the boxes. So yeah, it's very easy. And maybe what is there on the box? Anything interesting? It's for collectors who are 14 years old and older, of course. Yeah, so it's not a toy. It's officially licensed by Audi AG. Interesting. It's a Saab. Yeah. We actually have 4 screws here, which I will need to remove. So how to do it without damaging the model? I think the best way is really to hold it like this and use my screwdriver. Yeah, so let's see how fast we are. I'm placing it now here. I no longer need a box. Some dust particles from my table. Okay, so now we see the model. It's pretty lightweight. It's actually a resin replica, and wow, so the wheels are turning. This is great. On some GT Spirit models, the wheels are not turning or spinning. Here, this is okay. Oh, so where to start? Maybe now let me go to the second camera and to show you already some of the details. Yeah? So here we see the front of this Saab 95, and you see also the front grille with very tiny Saab logo, and then there is also this emblem here on the hood, of course, and we have also some black stripes here on the bumper. And what I see here, this part, the lower grille, it's actually not perforated. Yeah, so it's a shame. Then we have the wheels. The wheels are quite okay, and we also see the brake caliper, brake disc. Everything is visible. Yes, it is. There are actually no dots or no bumps or holes in this brake disc. So then we have here the stripes all over the car and the door handles. Actually, the door handles are quite nicely done. It's a separate piece probably. Yeah, so that's okay. The paint itself, it looks quite terrific. Yeah? Very nicely done paint, I must say. And then we have the glass, and which is actually always very thin. Also here, yeah, I don't want to scratch it, just slightly. I want to slightly hit it with this tool, but just to show you that it's very thin, and it's the case actually on all resin models. Also in the back, yeah, it's a little bit harder here. And you see here the stripes, which is the heating actually. So we also have the heating stripes, which is quite nice feature. Here we have also the wiper in the back, and we have this nice spoiler, which is making it more sportier. Yeah? And also this braking or parking light just below the spoiler. We have this aero. Oh, I hope you can see now this aero. And then 9.5 here. Maybe let me use a little bit more of my zoom functionality here to really show you the details. Yeah? So also the rear lights, there are actually no license plates on DNA models. I'm not quite sure why they never have any license plates. Yeah, in the front, it would be very nice to have here a license plate, but they don't do it. Yeah? So it's like this promo model introduced on motor shows where you also do not have any license plates, but to really see it like from real life, this imitation should also have a license plate, in my opinion. Yeah? So I'm not sure what is your opinion when you check the cars in shops, on e-shops, and then if you prefer to have a license plates on or not. Good. Then the wheels in the back, exactly the same like in the front. Yeah, so we see this Saab logo or emblem in the middle, 5 screws, and we have 5 spikes here in this wheel. Okay, and a brake caliper is there as well. You see it now, which is quite cool. And when we check the roof, we have this sunroof. Yeah? So this small window here on the top, and we also have here 2 nice, I don't know how it's actually called. Yeah, it's a mystery to me. Okay, but it's on the previous DNA model. Maybe you remember I reviewed this Volvo, and there was a roof box. So to attach a roof box, you probably need those. Okay, good. Then here you have chassis 004. Okay, we have DNA Collectibles. We have also this Saab 9.5 here. Everything visible. Oh, now from this angle it's nicely visible. We have one exhaust. I think the color of the exhaust, it's too shiny. Yeah, it should be a little bit less shiny, in my opinion. Yeah, this is just too much. It looks unrealistic when it's so shiny. Same here with this part. So maybe to use a little bit of, I don't know, some color to wear it and make it look more dirty, then it would be more realistic. Okay. But overall, I must say there are really no gaps. Like here, when we check again the front, really the headlight is perfectly done. Also the inside of the headlight, no gaps at all between the headlight and the chassis. Also here around the fenders, the color is beautiful. So I must say it's a nicely done model, and it's a shame you can't really see what is inside, but of course there is also some interior. But since I can't open this resin replica, I'm also not able to really show you what is there inside. Yeah, but we have of course all the seats. Now maybe you can see something. Yeah, from this angle probably you see the seats, the automatic gear shift, the radio in the middle, now the gauges and clusters, the steering wheel, the mirror, the rear view mirror. Also here we have actually the side mirrors, of course we have them on both sides. And yeah, so that's basically it, this Saab 9.5 Aero. And very nicely done. So if you are collecting Saab cars, and if you do not have this one, I mean, in the display case or in display shelf, this would be really great. Look at that, it's very nice. And maybe you already know from my previous videos that I also like to compare to some other models from my collection. Yeah? So since I reviewed already this G class from Mercedes, just to compare the size. Yeah? So this one is quite long, and when we place it next to the G class, it's really longer. Yeah? It's interesting to see it here, but it's actually a very long car, nothing small. Also here side by side, so that you have a sense really that this is 1 to 18, and how it looks like also in compared to a huge SUV. So yeah, so far so good. I mean, those two cars also look quite nicely next to each other. When I compare this red color next to this black color, I think it's a nice fit. Yeah, so really now you can see them side by side. Okay, yeah. Really nice two models, and I love them both. Okay, so now let's put this one aside, and really now we will focus a little bit more on this one, because now, dear guys, dear ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the final rating. So thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.